Hey, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to tapestry crochet and I'm using this pattern. I found this on Pinterest. Just look for tapestry crochet patterns and you will find a lot. I already crocheted this one before, but I think the pink is a little bit too light for the background, so I'm doing it again with this one. I will be using a 4mm crochet hook. First we count all the squares in the first row. In my case that's 26, so I'm making 26 chains. And don't make them too tight. So 26 plus 1. Now I start to make single crochets in all the chains because the first row is completely white. So simple single crochets. I just finished my first row. Now I make one chain to turn. So each of the 26 stitches counts as 1 pixel of our pattern. So that means 8 single crochets in white, 3 in pink, and then 15 in white again. 1, 2, 7, 8, and here we're going to change colors and we do it like this. We make our single crochet and don't finish it yet. We take our second color and make a little loop just like this, just hold it like this and finish our stitch with this color. Now we have to hold everything tight together. So this is the new yarn we're crocheting with, we continue with. And the other two I would hold in the back, so behind our stitches. So now we make our next single crochet as always. And you can see the two yarns. Here's the end of the pink and the white yarn, and we just crochet over it. One, two, now 3, and this is the last of the pink stitches. So we have to change the color again to white. Don't finish it yet. Drop the pink and pick up your white yarn again. And finish the stitch. And the rest of the row is white. So I would keep crocheting over the end of the pink yarn so we don't have to weave it in later. And the long end we can just drop right here because we don't need it for the rest of the round. You can always adjust it here and make it a little bit tighter. Let's just finish this row. So here I'm at the end. Chain 1 and you can turn your work. So let's look at the next. So we have 11 white pixels, 8 in pink, and 7 in white. So let's make 11 single crochets. 1, 2, 10, now 11, the last one. So we don't finish it yet. Now it's important that we bring our yarn towards us, because this is the back. We don't want it in the front. And we can pick up the pink yarn from over here. And we finish the single crochet. Now it looks like this, but don't worry, we're gonna crochet over it. Now we make 8 single crochets in pink, and I keep holding the white yarn in my hand because we need it over here again. So don't drop it yet. I crochet over both, so. It can be a little bit difficult to see all the stitches if you have the yarn laying over it. Just be careful that you don't miss any. 1, 2, 3, 8. So it's time to change the color because it's the last stitch. Now we switch the 2 yarns, so we bring this, the pink one, towards us, and we continue with the white one and finish this stitch. And I just drop the pink yarn right here and finish the row. This is what it looks like from the front. You just continue this for the rest of the pattern. I think the important points are change the color 1 stitch before the new color starts, and that you're always aware which side is the front and which is the back. That's also why I like to keep the end right here, so I always know this is the back. If you don't have so much yarn left, you can just mark it. So if the back side is facing you, you want to bring the yarns towards you, and if the front is facing you, you want to bring the yarn to the back.